let's start with tires. So ang gulong mo, whether you use your bike or not, lumalambot yan over time. Minsan a few days lumalambot na yan. So palagi mong i-check every 3 or 4 days, depende nga, kailangan mo maglagay ng hangin. Kung bibili ka ng pump, get a good one. Okay, bumili ka ng pump na inaapakan, mga long shaft foot pumps. Mura lang sa Decathlon yan, 500, 600. Meron din sa mga Lazada, sa Shopee. If you have a friend na dun bumili at yung brand naman matagal na sa kanila at subok na, okay din yon, mas mura. And get the pump na may gauge. That's perhaps one of the most important pieces of advice I would give you when buying a pump na pambahay. Bilhin nyo yung long shaft, bilhin nyo yung may gauge para alam nyo yung PSI na ilalagay ninyo sa gulong. These are hookless rims. Kasi may mga rims na hookless, may mga rims na hindi. Just do your research, that's for another vlog maybe. Pero ang hookless, 70, 72, 75, pwede na yon yung PSI na yon. There are other rims that require 80 to 90, minsan 100 pa, minsan 110 pa. Pero sa hookless, it's a fairly new technology, hanggang 70 lang, yan lang ang pwede mo ikarga dyan. Anything harder, delikado na. That's for hookless. And when it comes to tire widths, iba-iba yan, of course. Gamit ko ngayon, 28. 28C refers to the thickness of the tires. Naka 28 ako. Si Junie, yung naka-factor, 25. Mas manipis. Road bike yan. Same as mine. Si Marco, Marco, anong tire width mo?
Kanan.
So naka 40 si Marco. That's a gravel bike. Significantly thicker to be able to handle the rougher terrain. Because it's a gravel bike. Si Will, sa unahan, road bike yan. And I know he's on 25s. Yeah, so different widths for different uses and applications. Preference na rin.
Bata na electric. Lagi may fire alarm.
And pagdating sa tire types, may mga pagpipilian ka din. There's regular tires that use inner tubes. Ito yung mga ginagamitan ng interior. And there's tubeless tires. Like pretty much most tires na makikita mo in bike shops, lahat yan tubeless halos. And hindi kailangan ng interior, obviously. Gagamitan mo lang siya ng tubeless tape and sealant and the proper valve, and you're ready to go. Going tubeless is convenient, of course, because the idea of tubeless is that you never go flat. Hindi 100% yan. Sometimes, dumadapa pa rin ang gulong kahit tubeless ka. But, the premise of tubeless is that if you puncture, your tire self-seals. Nabutasan ka, the sealant will seep through the holes, titigas yung sealant, hindi ka na flat. So, you could still run kahit ma-puncture ka. Yun yung basic idea. But as I mentioned, hindi siya 100%. If you're asking kung ang tubeless tires ba pwedeng lagyan ng interior, pwede. Huwag pala kayo malito sa tubular tires. Maybe you're looking for tires, nagbabrowse kayo, or you're in the shop and you see tubular tires. Iba yon sa tubeless, ha? Iba rin yon sa regular tires. Ang tubular tires, buo yon na parang donut. It's like an interior pero pang exterior. I hope you're getting the idea.
na ginagamitan ng adhesive. It's an old technology. May mga gumagamit pa rin yan na pro, no, tubulars, but I wouldn't advise that for daily cyclists like you and me, lalo na sa iyo if you're a beginner. So stay away from tubulars. Mag-tubeless ka. Nakalagay naman sa kahon yan. Always bring a spare tube. Whether you run tubes or tubeless, kailangan mo ng spare tube sa tool bottle mo or sa bulsa mo. Palagi yan. Kahit na ang tubeless self-sealing, there are certain punctures or certain mishaps na hindi kaya ng sealant. Like yung mga V-tear, yung mga sidewall tear. Mag-i-inner tubes ka dyan. So palagi ka magdala ng inner tube. And make sure correct yung size. May size range yan. Nakalagay sa kahon. And very important din yung valve length. Because if you have deep set rims like these are 58s by the way. Kailangan mo ng valve na mahaba. Like in my case, 80 mm yung valve length. Nasa kahon naman yan. There are two basic types of valves, or yung pito na tinatawag, Schrader and Presta. Yung Schrader, malaki, old technology. Sa mga lumang interior, mga lumang wheel set, Schrader. But what you'll usually find is Presta valve na. Presta or French valve. Ito yung manipis. No? So you have to be aware of the differences, lalo na kung bibili ka ng inner tubes. Ask the mechanic, ask the shop person para sigurado. One thing that you should never leave behind pala when you're on your rides, lalo na kung solo, inflator. Maski may kasama kayo, maski group ride, huwag kayong umasa na may mga dala din yung mga kasama mo. Wala mang naman madala yan eh, but you want to be self-sufficient. Always bring your inflator, okay? So ganito, there are several kinds of inflators. Pinaka-common would be the hand pump. Yung cylindrical na minsan mahaba, minsan maiksi, usually kasya sa bulsa, minsan kasya din sa tool bottle mo, pagdala kayo niyan. There's also micro compressors. Labas kayo sa akin. I have something that looks like this. Ayan. So this is a Cycplus compressor. Electronic yan. Rechargeable. And it's one of the best things that happened to inflator advancement, no? Kasi very portable. Kasya sa bulsa, kasya sa side pocket kung cargo bib ka, kasya sa likod, kasya sa tool bottle, at hindi ka na mahihirapan magbomba. So get one of these. It's great to invest in one of these. This particular model, so this is a Cycplus na walang gauge, kasi may lumabas na bago-bago na may gauge, may window that shows the PSI, yung pressure mo. Ito yung nauna, and this is about 4,500 pesos. Okay? Yung may gauge, 6,000 I believe. So invest in one of these. Galing nito. Meron din syempre ang CO2, which I also have. I always have a CO2 cartridge and a valve in my tool bottle. Para extra lang, you know, kasi electronic tong main pump ko, and sometimes, you know, electronics may not work. Bihira naman mangyayari yan, ano, but you want to be safe, you want to have that plan B. So meron din akong CO2. And the concept of CO2 is pressurized gas. Kabit mo yung valve ng CO2 cartridge, isaksak mo siya sa valve ng gulong mo, papasok na yung air. Obviously, hindi naman natin kinover lahat ng tire basics in this video. And you may have tire tips that you want to share also, huh? lagay nyo lang dyan sa comments. That's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Sana may natutunan. God bless you all. Ride safe, everybody. See you next time.